This is a News 3 Now special report.
Thanks for watching this special report from Channel 3000. Today, Wisconsin health officials are confirming 8 new deaths related to COVID-19. There are more than 12,900 confirmed cases now. Although the state Supreme Court struck down the governor's safer-at-home order last week, state health officials are still tracking the gating criteria outlined by his Badger bounce-back plan. We are not reaching the benchmark for a 14-day decrease in the percentage of all tests that are positive. Today, 5% of new cases came back positive. New tests came back positive. It's about a 2 percentage point increase from yesterday. Another criteria we aren't meeting, the downward trend of COVID-19 cases among healthcare workers. But you can see we are meeting the other 4 criteria. Now, Dane County has set up its own metrics as part of the Dane Forward Plan. We're meeting 5 of those 9 criteria. One of those not being met is the number of tests being conducted per day. A key coronavirus model often cited by the White House has revised the U.S. death projection slightly downward. Researchers from the Institute for Health Metrics and Evaluation at the University of Washington now predict 143,360 people will die by August 4th. It's about 3,700 fewer deaths from the projections last week. An increase in deaths had been predicted as states ease their social distancing measures. President Trump welcomed farmers to the White House, where he announced a multi-billion-dollar plan. The intent to give direct relief to agricultural suppliers hit by the pandemic and to purchase products to restock food pantries.
Sign-ups will begin on May 26th through your local Farm Service Agency offices. You got to go sign up to pick it up, to get the money. It's already in distribution, $3 billion worth of product for the food lines.
Meanwhile, the Treasury Secretary says federal government has distributed nearly $1 trillion in federal relief aid, about a third of what's been approved by Congress so far. And if you're still waiting on your stimulus payment from the government, keep an eye out for a debit card in the mail. The U.S. Treasury Department announced Monday it's going to start mailing out some stimulus payments on those debit cards. Until now, the payments had either been directly deposited or sent as paper checks. About 4 million payments will be sent on those debit cards. It could mean that those people receive their money more quickly than if they had taken a check. The Visa debit card can be activated immediately.